Myself, Anil Paramato, lecturer in Inter Marwari College, Ranchi. This is my 8th lecture on solid state. Today, we will discuss the calculation of packing efficiency. In previous class, we have discussed octahedral voids and tetrahedral voids, and also by knowing the type of voids, location of voids, and fraction of occupied voids, we can determine the formula of the compounds. And some numericals have already we have done. Today, we will discuss packing efficiency. In all types of packing that is simple cubic, BCC, FCC, SCP, there is always some free space in the form of voids or vacant space. Says packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. It is calculated as packing efficiency is equal to volume of the total lattice point divided by total volume of unit cell. Now we will calculate packing efficiency in case of three common arrangements, and three common arrangements are in simple cubic unit cell, in face centered cubic unit cell, and third is body centered cubic unit cell. Let's discuss one by one. First, packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, in 8 corner, one points are present. So, and let the edge length of a unit cell equal to A and radius of a sphere equal to R, as the two spheres touch each other at an edge is equal to A equal to 2R. Here this length is A and A is equal to R plus R. Number of lattice point per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. So packing efficiency is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by, because A is equal to 2R, so in place of A we can write 2R to the power cube. As we know that the volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3. So on calculation we get of pi by 6 and is equal to 0.524. So percentage packing efficiency is equal to 52.4% and unoccupied space is equal to 42.6%. Now our second arrangement is packing efficiency in face-centered cubic unit cell. Suppose edge length of unit cell equal to A and radius of a sphere equal to R. And this is our face diagonal. This is our face diagonal, that is AC. In triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square n is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Hence, face diagonal AC equal to root 2A. But AC is equal to R plus 2R plus R. So this is equal to 4R. Therefore, 4R equal to root 2A or root 2A equal to 4R or A equal to 4R by root 2. Hence, volume of unit cell equal to A cube is equal to 4R root 2 to the power 3 is equal to 64R cube divided by 2 root 2 is equal to 64R cube divided by 2 root 2 is equal to 32R cube divided by root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 as is equal to 16 root 2 R cube. As there are total lattice point, there are 4 lattice point per unit cell. So packing efficiency is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 16 root 2 r cube is equal to 16 pi r cube divided by 3 into 16 root 2 pi r cube is equal to root 2 by 6 pi. On solving we get 0.74. So percentage packing efficiency equal to 74%. Now our third arrangement is packing efficiency in body centered cubic arrangement. This is body diagonal AD. Suppose the edge length equal to A and radius of a sphere equal to R. The number of lattice point per unit cell equal to 2. In triangle ABC, AC square equal to AC square equal to AB square plus BC square and is equal to A square plus A square is equal to root 2 is equal to 2A square. Similarly, in triangle ACD, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square is equal to, here we already know that AC square equal to 2A square. So putting this value is equal to 2A square plus A square is equal to 3A square. Therefore, AD equal to root 3A. Now AD in our body diagonal AD, this AD is equal to R plus 2R plus R, that is 4R. That is 4R is equal to root 3A and or 3A equal to 4R or A equal to 4R by root 3. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube is equal to 8 pi r cube divided by 3 into 4r root 3 to the power 3 is equal to 4r is equal to 8 pi r cube into 3 root 3 divided by 3 into 64 r cube. On solving we get root 3 by 8 into pi and is equal to 0.68. Hence percentage of packing efficiency equal to 68% and unoccupied space equal to 32%. Thank you.